video. Today we're gonna teach you how to what they call create a blog post. Maybe you're a new writer, and also they tell you to write on WordPress using WordPress. So what you do today, we're gonna use the website which we gave people to start writing. It's gonna be googleboy.co.za. So what you do, you say www.googleboy.co.za. So once you're done with that, you're gonna say / WP dash, you can see that dash, admin. This is the user. That's when you want to, if you want to log into WordPress, you put this. This is the website / WP dash admin. After that, you say enter. Once you say enter, it's gonna give you this. Then you type in your username, but this time we have this, and also you type in your password here. Okay. Then you say enter. The password is wrong, no problem. Let me get this. Okay. After that, you can see that you logged in. After logging in, you can see all these things. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you. Now you want to write what? A post. Since you want to write a post, what you want to know is like each and every post has a category. So in this case, we don't have your category. Let me say you don't have. But if there is, don't worry. We're gonna create it. We're gonna create one here. Not every time when you write a post, you have to write a category. No. So if the categories are there, you don't have to write one. So I'm gonna create one, but you don't have to. I'm gonna be creating them for people. So this person wants to write about school life. I would say school life. Okay. Once you type in school life, it's okay. Let's leave it like this. It's gonna be under what? It's gonna be under anything. We're gonna leave it like that. So once we're done with that, we say create new category. We're done with that. Okay. So after that, we're gonna go. You remember the way it was? It started like this. The dashboard looks like this. Then we're gonna write our news article or blog posts, whatever. So you come on post. You right click on post. You mouse roll over on post. Then you say add new. When you click add new, then you're gonna show a new. So this is what they call a title of your blog post. So it depends on what you want to write about. So first of all, we might say I'm saying life at my college. Okay, this can be your title. After doing that, you copy that, you put it here, and then you say life at college is not that simple. Okay, you can write a paragraph of 4-5 lines, then you skip 4-5 lines, then you skip. So I'm going to teach you also something small. You copy this same title. Sometimes you put it in this. Now we're using Yoast. You're learning how to use Yoast plugin, which works for your whatever. So also the description, you can come and copy this. You can come and copy this, copy that, and paste it here. But you can find some websites, they don't have that plugin. Once you put in there, don't forget now to come here and click on post. When you click on post, you go down. We want to change the category. Click on categories. Then once you click on categories, you can see down. Let me take out this. Okay. Okay, if you don't see it, click on settings here. If you don't see anything, they leave it. Go to, don't say publish. Let me click back here. Okay, when you click back there, what we'll want to do is to look for categories. Let me click on post. It should show. Okay, let me click on categories. Okay, when you click there, it should show. Okay, they come here. Sometimes you can click and maybe there's a problem with your internet and you might not get it right. Once you click there, then look for school life. School life. You can see school life is here. I select school life. It means this is going to be under school life. After doing that, you write your blog article, you finish it. Once you finish it, then you click on publish. You get me? So once you click on publish, your article is going to be there. So before you do that, you can also scroll down here. Then you select a picture. Select a picture. But when we're dealing with pictures, let me get a picture, one picture here. Not that, not that, not that, not that, not that. Okay, we're going to put Slindile. Sfundil. Okay, you put that picture. But when we're dealing with pictures, look for a picture which has a width of, look, this width is 1.2 by 1.2. Sometimes it's not that much advisable to do that. You get 1.2 by 800. That could be fine. You can go to Google, and maybe in case you're writing about, you want a college student. Let me say college student. Maybe you can put your friend or yourself, then you say enter. Once you say enter, click on images. Then you say 1.2. Then you put X 800. So here we specifically looking for a pictures with those dimensions. You can see these are the pictures with those dimensions. You click on that picture, then you select and save. When you're saving the picture, don't delete that .jpg. Delete only the first text. Then you can put your title there on the picture. Then you save. So after that, then you can see that you can say, look, do that. Then after that, you write the article. Your article at least should be 300 words. It's not that much. To check that, you can scroll down here and see SEO analysis. You can see it's going to show you that text length, the text contains 11 words. So you have to put more and more and more and more and more. So, okay, simple. Let me say, as people think. Okay. You can see then maybe I put a full stop here. Make sure you don't make spelling errors. So when you go down here, you can find 14 words. Now, this is far below the recommended minimum of 300 words. Add more content. So you should write more and more and more. You get me? So when it reaches 300, it's going to show you. Yeah, you can see they show the title contains 14 words, whatever. The text. Okay, outbound links. You can get a link from, you can link your what? You can link one of the blog posts on this website and link it inside here. You get me? Inside here. Maybe you can go here and say googleboy.com, googleboy.co.za, boy.co.za. Then you say enter. So when you enter, you can look for news, which is an article which is related to that. So school news, we can't see that. Maybe we can go to tech, maybe politics or entertainment. You can go to entertainment because it's a little bit close to that. We can click on Kanye West here because we don't have much content in school, whatever. Then you copy this. You can see this. It has a link already on it. So this is simple when you're using a computer. You can also use your phone if you're good. You can see it shows the link. But if it doesn't show the link, you click on that text, then you can see this. You click on that, then you can put a link in here. After that, it will be easy for you once you write all the article stuff. Let me see. Somebody's going to continue to contribute on this article. But for now, I want to publish this. I'm waiting for... you can see that publish button is not that enabled. So I'm waiting for the internet to be okay. You can see now it's bluish. Then you click. Then you click. So once you publish that, it simply means that this article is published. Once it's being published, then you can go here and say Google Boy. You're gonna see. Once it's published, it's gonna show here. You can see. Yeah. The article is published 100%. So if you want to contribute on that article and you logged in already, you click here and say dashboard. You get me? So once you go to dashboard, you click on posts. You get me? So you're going to look for that post. You can see this is School Live. Then you say edit. Maybe you made a mistake after reading the article. Then you edit here. You can go here and add on things. You get me? So that's the way they do that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me any question. Then after that, we will proceed, and make sure you write very good articles. And also after that, I forget one important issue here. After writing your article, you must share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on all those social media, because your article is gonna be more popular. Also, click on that article if you want to view and link it. So what you do is you copy this and then you link it. You put some words, then you link it. So also you can see here, you can tell people to go and comment. They can come and comment, or tell people to comment via Facebook. You can see here, you can type in and comment whatever you want to comment. You get me? Tell your friends to comment and share your article. Comment and share your article. When they share it, it's going to be more popular. If you're a writer, then you're going to be everywhere online. So it's going to be something very good for you to do what? To get popularity very easy. Understand? Yeah, no, guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If I forgot something, please do remind me. And also you can ask a question. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.